I get to work with my hands, see a project from start to finish. A lot of times it'll be, can I do it? How do I do it? So first we get the image. So I bring that into a program to where I can generate an outline around it. That's my laser cut file. Take it to the laser, set the laser material up, then run the file, and generally it takes about a minute per ornament to cut out. Once I cut them out, they have a film, so I have to peel the surfaces off. We have the cutout on the transfer paper, allows me to do the lineup. I cut it so I can quickly tear it apart, because when these come out, they're 375 degrees. We take the image paper, the transfer paper off real quick and put it back underneath some weight in order to keep it from curling. So when it comes out, we have the ornament. It's got a hole for the snowflake to sit. There's a real tiny one for the wire to hold the snowflake, and then another one for the ribbon. I'm the one that has to pull the tree out of the attic and set the tree up, but I don't do the ornaments on the tree because I have no artistic capability.